So you can already see how this is slightly turning pinkish. It's already changing color. So tomorrow morning this will have this color, which is pretty amazing. And it's not only just nice looking, also smells very good, and it's very efficient. Just spray it on and enjoy cleaning with this natural, inexpensive, effective cleaner. Yeah, and the sage, was mentioning before that sage is antibacterial and antimicrobial, so I do have this lavender sage soap that you can find at the local farmers markets. If you do not want to do this all yourself, you can also buy a bar of soap and get the benefits of the herbs. The next thing I would like to talk about is how to use certain herbs for spring cleaning your body. And when I went outside this morning, I picked a few herbs that I think are quite amazing. The first one is the stinging nettle. It contains an abundance of vitamins and minerals, vitamin A, D, E, and K. And 1 cup of nettle infusion contains 500 milligrams of calcium, which is quite amazing. And also other bone building minerals like potassium, iron, copper, silicon. So as ugly as it looks, it's pretty good for you. When you harvest nettle, you will notice you get sting, so you will need gloves and scissors and just cut them off. Just the tips. The tips are good, you don't want the whole plant. And once you infuse it with water, or if you dry the nettle, the stinginess will go away. So don't be afraid to eat it or use it. And what you can do is you can either dry it and drink it as tea. And I make this summer breeze tea. The base has nettle in it, and I also added other herbs because the nettle itself is not very tasty. But if you add lemon balm, bee balm, lemon verbena, sage, strawberries, that's what this is in this tea, then you get a tasty drink that's also very healthy. So you can use it dried. You can also just make a smoothie. If you have heard of green smoothies, nettle are excellent for that. You just clip them, put them in your blender with some banana, fruit, some other vegetables, spinach, and you get all the benefits of the nettle. Yeah, so that's a nice way to do it. And you can also saute it like greens, like spinach with garlic and onions. And it's very tasty that way. And as I said, don't be afraid about being stung by the nettle because it won't. So that's the nettle. Then there is dandelion, another one of my favorite. It stopped blooming, we're in June now, so the blossoms are all gone. But the leaves are also actually the whole plant is very beneficial. You can eat the roots, the leaves, and the flowers. It's also very rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, fiber, potassium, iron, calcium, magnesium, zinc, and phosphorus. It's a good place to get B complex vitamins, trace minerals, organic sodium, and even vitamin D. And the benefits are endless. It promotes digestion, stimulates appetite, it helps the kidney to clear out waste, salt, and excess water. It also contains essential fatty acids that reduce inflammation throughout the body. So there is lots of benefits. When the leaves get bigger, it tastes a little bitter, but if you just cut it up in little pieces and throw it into your salad, it's fine. You can also cook it up. The blossoms you can use for making dandelion wine or dandelion syrup. So there's a lot of things you can do with this. And then last but not least, I have plantain. There's two kinds. There's the broader leaves and then the narrow leaves. Both are equally beneficial. Lots of vitamins, again, like the other two. But the other amazing thing about the leaves is that the juice will reduce itchiness. Let's say you got a bee sting or poison ivy even. The juices, if you put them on the sting, or burns or cuts that you have, it will immediately relieve the itchiness and the pain will go away. So some people just, when they are in the situation that they got a bee sting, they take a leaf, pick it in the lawn, and then chew it up and just rub it on. You can also just rub it on as it is, or put it in a juicer even. But experiment with it the next time you are in a situation like that. It really is amazing how helpful it is. So these are the herbs. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. If you start new with green living, just start small, start anywhere, and enjoy the journey of living green. Thank you.